Keeping your order details accurate is critical for smooth fulfillment, and Ordoro makes it easy to stay up to date with revisions from your sales channels. Let's walk through how you can review and manage these changes seamlessly. When prices or products are changed on your sales channels, Ordoro allows you to see and accept those revisions automatically. This feature is available for Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Magento 1, Volusion, 3D Cart, and Ecwid carts. Revisions will appear on the order list page highlighted in gold. To review a revision, click on the gold bar above the order. To focus on these orders, use the filters to narrow your view to orders with active revisions. If you want to accept the revision, click Confirm Revision and the changes will be saved. To decline a revision, uncheck the box next to the revision and select Confirm Revision to update the order without the changes. Once confirmed, Ordoro will update the order to match the details from the sales channel. With Ordoro, managing order revisions is simple and efficient, helping you stay on top of changes and ensure your orders are always accurate.